WF-2000 series Industrial Wi-Fi Data Acquisition Modules from ICP USA. With the popularity of 802.11 network infrastructure and the Internet of Things that brings every device connected, the ICP USA Wi-Fi data acquisition products provide an easy way to incorporate wireless connectivity into monitoring and control systems. The Wi-Fi modules support communication distance up to 100 meters. The WF-2000 series supports Modbus TCP and UDP protocol and a network encryption configuration, which make perfect integration to SCADA software and offer easy and safe access for users from anytime and anywhere. There are 4 I/O options to choose from: analog, digital, relay, and multifunction I/O. The WF-2015 is a Wi-Fi interface and 6-channel RTD input module for long-distance temperature measurement and features automatic compensation for 3-wire RTD sensor, meaning that accurate measurements can be obtained regardless of the length of wires. And the WF-2017 is an 8-channel differential 16-channel single-ended analog input module. The analog input range is software selectable and supports a range of voltage in milliamps. The WF-2026 is a multifunction module with Wi-Fi interface that includes 5 analog input channels, 2 analog output channels, 2 digital input channels, and 3 digital output channels. It provides a programmable input range on all analog input and output range on all analog output. The WF-2042 is a 16-channel isolated digital output module. It has WLAN connection and complies with the IEEE 802.11 BG standards. With the popularity of 802.11 network infrastructure, the WF-2042 makes an easy way to incorporate wireless connectivity into monitoring and control systems. The WF-2060 also has a WLAN connection. It has a relay I/O module and supports Modbus TCP and UDP protocols and a network encryption configuration. If you're looking for something with more protection, the WF-M-R14 has a metal case with all of the relay I/O capabilities. To learn more about our Wi-Fi modules, visit our website at www.icp-usa.com.